This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it's July 9th, 2019. Soon here I got a call for AC not working at the lady's house. So we'll have to go over there and see what's going on. She says she's got it off. It might be a capacitor. Who knows what it is? I don't like to rush to judgment until I get there and see. Hopefully it's something simple that I can fix and go to the next one. Keep the stress level down. We'll go by there and give it to you. How you doing, Mama? Alright, so we'll put those filters back in for now until you get the other ones.
Okay.
And then we'll run it. We'll check the charge outside.
Big unit here.
Yeah.
Alright, now there's an arrow on these.
Well, you'll see the metal. The metal goes towards the fan.
So it's the fan, and where's this fan is where? And there's a. See, this says airflow.
That's the return.
That's the
So
return.
the return goes this way. So yeah, so that's the way you want to put them in like that.
Right, that's the way that I had them in.
Yeah, the airflow. So this is the return coming in. Put this other one back.
Yeah.
For now, she says she's getting a case.
Well, I guess, yeah, we will.
They'll be all right for now. Probably low on Freon.
Yeah, that very well could be.
Put that cover back
Yeah,
on
you
for
want the
now.
cover?
Yeah,
All
just so not sucking in any crazy air. I wonder what all these covers are for. So it was the air was moving.
Not much, not a hell of a lot.
Well,
it was moving.
It might have iced up.
It was moving.
We'll check it. We'll check it outside. We'll check the charge and make sure. Is it a noisy system?
Yeah, well, it's the only system that I'm really familiar with. So, is it noisy? I don't say it's overly.
Well, it's one of these high velocity systems, you know.
I would say it's probably. I remember when we first put it in our good neighbor.
Oh, so you've had this. You've had this for a few years.
We've had this for like 20 plus years.
Oh, I thought you just bought this house.
No. We had this house built 25 years ago.
Oh, okay. All right. So where's the thermostat? Up here or downstairs?
There's two. One up here. I'll show you the one up here first.
Well, this is the one for the cooling. That's all I'm really concerned about. I bet you were low on Freon.
That's the bedroom.
Yeah, turn all these down. All the heat you want to turn down and just turn down the cooling. Yeah, we'll get it going. Thermostat's downstairs or up
Well,
here?
the thermostat, that's for heat.
Yeah, I turned it down already.
Turned it
Where's
down.
the cooling
In
one?
here. So we have one up here and then one downstairs.
Yeah, I'll put on cooling and turn it down so it's not going to shut off on me. Yeah, so it's 75 in here. We'll
We'll get that off.
We'll turn it down to 70. We'll just give it the old how you doing. Automatic. There might be a delay on it.
Yeah, could be.
I want to make sure that fan's working upstairs.
So you gotta be busy this time of the year.
Alright, there it goes. Well, the fan's working. We'll check it outside.
Okay.
I'm busy as a one-arm paper hanger.
Not bad.
Hey, it's low on charge.
Low on charge.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. A little 4-tonner. I don't think I've ever worked for you here.
No, we've had, this is, well, we had the plumber who worked on the construction of this house. He installed this system, like 3 years after we built the house.
Okay, yeah.
And, we had him back, I guess, a couple of times with various things. And he sort of retired.
Who was it?
Smith from Tiverton, Rhode Island, for Little Compton.
Well, I'm surprised he came to the state.
Well, he was, our builder was from Little Compton.
See, I can't work in a different state because my insurance don't cover me.
Oh, yeah.
So, unless I want to pay insurance in 2 states. Because I asked my insurance lady about this. She said, you can't work there because your insurance don't cover you in another state.
Well, maybe that's one of the reasons where he stopped coming.
Wow. That's why I don't go to another state. I mean, I don't really want to anyway, driving-wise.
Good enough, right?
Yeah, I got enough. Gonna be a little low on charge. I mean, it's gonna cost you some money. I mean, at 27, that's really low.
Well, whatever.
It's 22. I mean, you got a leak somewhere. Not good. Not good. You want me to put it in so it works?
Oh, yeah. It's not Freon anymore, right?
Oh, it's refrigerant. It's the same. It's the same as Freon. I mean, it's different stuff that they're making now. They're stopping production on this because it's got a little bit of chlorine in it. So they're afraid they're gonna kill the environment. You know. It's a money making scheme is what it is. You know that, right?
So you say we have a leak.
You got a leak. We'll put some Freon in it. How old is the system?
About 22 years old.
22.
Yeah.
Now, was it running okay last year, or you're not sure? Did you run it last year?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it was running. It was okay. It's okay. Was it perfect? I don't know. I don't think so.
Don't sound like you're too sure about
Right,
that.
that's right. I'm not too sure about it. I mean, it cooled the house, but was it running as efficiently as it should?
Yeah, you probably got a slow leak. So what we'll do is we'll put Freon in it this year, and we'll see how long it lasts. I mean, if you lose it all, you know, you might have to upgrade the system. I mean, it ain't worth trying to fix an old unit like this.
Right.
So let's get some gas in it.
That makes sense to me. You know, we've had 20 plus years in this unit.
Yeah, let's get some Freon in there so you can get by the hot weather, and we'll see how long it lasts for. I mean, it might have been leaking out slowly for a couple of years. You don't know, right?
You do regular preventive maintenance on these systems?
Yeah, what you got to do is you got to change the inside filters, and you got them on order.
Yeah, we'll order those.
They're 2-inch, and you got to hit this with a garden hose.
Oh yeah, okay, right.
You got a garden hose.
Yeah.
You want to hit this and keep this clean, because if it gets dirty inside, it doesn't dissipate the heat like it should.
Oh, I see.
We'll bring that up to 9, 10, and then we'll check it. I knew it was low on gas just by feeling the air and the piping and whatnot, you know. How you doing? So you retired? Do you like it?
Oh yeah.
You do?
Yeah. I was a banker.
Well, that's a tough one, huh?
I got out at the right time. Our bank was purchased by another bank. I was 59.
Perfect.
And I was tired of the regulators and all the bullshit.
Yeah.
I got out.
Oh, so you were a big wheel, huh?
Yeah. You know, it was a relatively small bank. Not like a New York bank.
Big wheel with no spokes.
So anyway, I was fortunate I got out with it.
Yeah, I think that's a 93.
Yeah, that would make sense. That's what we were trying to figure out earlier.
2007. That's 26 years.
Yeah. Doesn't owe us much.
Nah, I don't owe you much at that age, right? Alright, so we got our superheat right around 24, which is good. Suction pressure's above 70 or so, that's fine. Subcooling's a little high, but once we clean this with the hose, it'll probably come down a little bit. I mean, it's not bad, but you need to clean that. But your system is old, and it's not worth trying to find the leak. I mean, I'll get you by for now, but you need a new system, guy. You know. So let me pull all my stuff out of here, and I'll measure the tank, and I'll get you a slip. At least you have cooling for now.
Yeah, I can feel it walking, just going in the house.
Well, it's gonna work, but don't forget now, it's a leaker, so it's gonna leak out. Probably get you by the rest of the year.
Yeah. Well,
I don't know if it's a 110 or a 220, but I got the model and serial there. If you can look it up, I'll be able to tell what it is.
again, there's like a filter on them. Over here.
So it's strictly just cooling, right?
Just cooling. Just cooling. Yeah, we have a hot water, gas-fired heating system.
So it's 4260C-A, and the serial is 3A45790. You should be able to tell if it's a 220 or a 110 from the model and serial. So it's not cool. It's not yeah. So you can get the filters because the filters aren't going to change. Because the filters are inside the cabinet.
Oh, okay.
So we're just going to change this unit here.
It would be this unit.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah.
And we'll reattach it.
So all this ductwork stays and all.
Yeah, all that stays. All this stays.
Yeah.
And we'll just get another unit up here, another unit outside. You'll be able to reuse that line set. Let's go look at the breakers downstairs. I'll be able to tell if it's 110 or 220 by the breakers. There's no sense in me trying to fix a 25-year-old system.
Oh, I agree.
You know, it's one thing to put Freon in it and get you by for a while, but
we plan to be here for quite some time.
it's time to upgrade. AC up top there. Yeah, so it's the AC disposal. AC is kitchen heating. Looks he's got it all jumped off that one unit, which is possible.